you a business person and you're still using these mannequins and you don't know how to turn them into profit? You are not making any profit. Maybe for instance you are into fashion, or maybe you are selling your products, you are using this kind of mannequins, and you are wondering, how can I make more sales in today's world? Today I want to teach you, or maybe I want to actually show you how you can turn these mannequins or mannequins so that you can start making sales and showing up on the digital world using AI, using just one tool that will help you to actually make sales of your profit, or maybe of your products rather. So if you are into fashion, if you are into, let's say you are selling your products and you're using this kind of mannequins, as you can see, she's beautiful actually, and you are selling your dress, they are not picking up. You have tried all the angles, taking pictures, and people are not actually buying them. Maybe it is time for you to take this into action and also bring them into life by actually turning them into something else, or maybe into a video that people will love, especially when you post online. We all know content is king, and also we all know that people love to see visuals, and in today's world AI has made it so easy for us to actually make something good out of the audio, or maybe out of the normal things that we have been doing. So without wasting any time, the first step is actually to take your product, whether you are selling, let's say if you are into fashion, maybe you are selling this kind of dress. I'm just using an example. She's beautiful, she's wearing an African ankara dress, maybe for summer. Take nice pictures using wherever you are, maybe in your boutique or maybe in your area of actually working. Once you have done, maybe you want to sell such a kind of dress. I'm not just saying this one, but you have your own dress or maybe your own products. Let her wear and then take nice pictures of the mannequin. And then once you are done, maybe you have this one. Let me show you another one. Something like this. You can see she's beautiful. Let's see another one, not this one. Let's see this one, something like this. Okay, all these are nice for us, for you. You can take them, you can take pictures. Once you have your pictures, the next step I want you to do is to, now the platform that you're going to be utilizing is none other than Dzine AI, one of the best when it comes to actually creating visuals in so many ways. So when you come here, you Google and then you come to Dzine AI. I'm going to leave the link in the description. You start a new project, okay, and then you pick the ratio, or maybe you pick the dimension. For instance, if you are going to do, let's say you are going to do a video maybe on YouTube, you pick this one, or maybe on Instagram you want to post short videos, you're gonna pick this one. Okay, this one. Let's pick this one and see what it's gonna go, or how it's gonna turn out. So you click here and then you say apply. Once you have done that, you're gonna be given the dashboard that we're gonna be dropping our images, and over here we have upload, asset, text to image, image to image, instant storyboard, character, AI video, lip sync, AI editor, face kit, enhance, and product background. For this next step, we're going to be actually bringing our videos, our images one by one. Okay, the one that you have taken using the mannequin, or mannequin, how do we call it? Okay, you're going to bring here image to image. You click there, and then you're gonna pick the style. No, the first thing you're gonna actually drop here, you have to drop your image here. So click here, and then you're gonna bring, let's say you want this one, you're gonna bring it here. Okay, this one, and then you're gonna, maybe you want to remove this background. If you don't want the background, you can simply remove the background like so. Okay, just remove the background if you don't want. And then the next step I want to show you, if you don't want that background, you can still come here where it says product background and add your own background. Okay, just like they are showing you here, you can add any background you want depending on which color you want. You can do the red, the pink, the mood. You can actually showcase when she's outside, indoors, or golden, or streets. Let's say she's on the street, you click here, and then you can see here it's gonna start generating the background for us. if you don't want to use your own background, the one that you had used, maybe you are afraid, or maybe not afraid, but you are not comfortable sharing maybe the visuals of your place, you can actually do this step. Okay, you're gonna come here and then you can see it is being created, like it is creating. Okay, we're gonna give it a minute. Now you can see this is the plane without a background, and this is on the street. If you double click, you pick your mannequin, you can see is on the different street. You pick the one that you think it is good. If you pick that one, you can see she's on a different background. Okay, now that we have added our own background, you can see the visuals very nice. You come here, we want to make her to move, or maybe we want to make a video so that people can actually be entertained. You come here where it says AI video, you click there. Okay, and then you're gonna pick the model that you want to use. There are so many models here, especially on this, very powerful models that you can try. And by the way, this is a pro feature, so make sure that you, for commercial purposes, you are actually using pro version. Let's use this Clinch AI, this one. You click there and then you describe what you want to create. Okay, you describe what you want her to do. Maybe let's say dancing. Okay, just let's say I'm gonna write something like okay, you can write something simple as the model is dancing, showcasing the dress, this one. Okay, and then you pick the duration. You can pick 5 seconds or 10 seconds depending on how you want. So we're gonna pick 5 seconds because we just want a short clip. People normally love short things. You click here where it says generate, and then once you click there, it's gonna start generating. So it's gonna take around 5 to 10 minutes to be generated. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. As you can see, it is being generated. Let's wait and see. Okay, after 5 minutes, you can see the video is being it has been created. Let's click and see. You can see how beautiful this is. She seems to be very comfortable showcasing the dress. Very handsome, very cute moves, and you can see how she's doing. Okay, super beautiful. Now you're gonna download your video here. Okay, now that you have downloaded your video, for instance, if you want maybe her to speak, or maybe you want the mannequin to actually say something, so we're gonna click here to actually lip sync our video that we have generated. You're gonna actually click here, lip sync, and as you can see, once you click there, it's gonna come here. It's gonna pick the face, this one, and then you're gonna actually input your text. For instance, you want her to showcase this clothes or say something. I'm gonna use this text, or maybe this input. You can put your own, something like, hello there, welcome back to our summer showcase. We got plenty of stuff, so welcome and start shopping. Okay, something like that. So we have voices here, or maybe you can still upload your own voice here. Let's listen to these voices and see. Because she's a female, we're going to be using a female voice. Let's listen to this one.
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast or social media?
Let's listen to Isabella.
And here's the kicker. I found a...
Let's listen to another one. You go ahead and check which one you want.
I just love talking about movies, you know.
Okay, let's use Hope, because I think she sounds super great also. So we're gonna click here, Hope, and then you're gonna generate the voice and play the audio. Let's generate and see. And as you can see, it is being generated. It has generated the voice.
Plenty of stuff. So welcome and start shopping.
Super cool. Okay, now you're gonna go ahead and generate the video here. Click here, and as you can see, it is being generated. We're gonna wait, and we're gonna give it a few minutes so that it can actually lip sync, and we're gonna be listening to it. Okay, meanwhile, you're gonna go ahead. For instance, you can do 1 video per day, or maybe 2 videos per day, or 3, depending on what you want to sell. For instance, you have multiple outfits that you want, or product that you want to sell. You make a short videos per each product. So while this one is going ahead lip sync, creating the lip sync, we can still go ahead and add our maybe we make the other videos. Okay, you're gonna do this process for all the products that you want to sell per day. We're gonna remove this one. Let's remove this one. Okay, let's remove this one, and then we're gonna bring our next image here. This one, I think she's cool. Okay, so let's use this one. We're gonna actually do what? Let's move this one. We're gonna click where it says AI video here, and then for instance the same prompt we use the other one. The model is dancing, showcasing the dress. We're gonna click here, or maybe pick the model that we want, add the description what she should do, and then pick the duration and then generate. Okay, as you can see, it is being generated. Now let's view the lip sync, or maybe let's listen to the lip sync of the other mannequin to see what is being done or what it is saying. Okay.
Hello there. Welcome back to our summer showcase. We got plenty of stuff. So welcome and start shopping.
That's super cool. I know it is funny, but that's what people love, to see something funny, something entertaining. Okay, and make sure that in the description you say that this is an AI stuff, or maybe this is I'm using AI to animate, but the real outfits, or maybe the real outfits are real. Okay, just make sure that you're adding a disclaimer for your viewers and also for your audience to remain actually authentic, especially in this world of AI. Let's view again, or maybe let's listen to it again.
Hello there. Welcome back to our summer showcase. We got plenty of stuff. So welcome and start shopping.
That's super cool. You're gonna go ahead and download. You can do this and edit in maybe application like CapCut and add in some voices, or maybe some music, and then you post on your Instagram reel, or you post on your TikTok, or maybe your YouTube shorts, and you add in the link to your product, or maybe to your shop, or wherever you want them, or maybe your website. And by doing this, I guarantee you 1 or 2, 3, even though it's gonna take some time, you can start making sales, because people are gonna be interested in the clothes that is being displayed, and they're gonna want to actually see, or maybe wear it in real. Okay, let's see how it has come out with this one. Quite beautiful. This is a nice one. This one you can do with music also, just to entertain your audience so that they can actually buy these threads. Okay, so tell me in the comment section, is this something that you can use? Are you using AI in your products, or maybe in your business? Let me know how you're using it, and if you will want to see more videos, especially when it comes to actually using AI in your small business, or maybe in your business, wherever you are in the all levels of the business journey. Otherwise, I'll leave you here, or maybe I'm gonna leave this video so that you can continue watching. And then if you have any questions, you have any inquiries, you have any comments, please don't forget to actually comment down, so that we can actually keep on learning together using AI in our businesses, in our daily life, to utilize it and actually learn and also grow together. Until next time, guys, I'll see you next. Bye bye, take care, love you all.